if you'd rather not get swindled by banks that pay us next to nothing to borrow our money and earn far higher rates of returns themselves, you don't have to. My name is McCluskey. This past year, I've helped 24 clients move just over $1.3 million in funding from banks to the strategy that's last on this list. The first place, though, that banks invest your money is in loans. Generally, this is 50 to 75% of their holdings. Banks primarily invest by issuing loans to individuals and businesses, including mortgages, auto loans, credit cards, and business loans. These loans offer much higher interest rates than what banks pay on deposits, allowing them to profit from the difference much more than it would be in other places. Number two, government securities. Generally, this is going to be 20 to 30% of their holdings in things like treasury bonds, treasury bills, treasury notes, tips, or other low-risk investments. Now, number 3 and 4 together are generally going to make up 5 to 10% of their holdings. Number 3, though, is going to be real estate, not just properties or buildings, but sometimes REITs or otherwise real estate investment trusts. Lastly, this technically is legally not considered an investment, which means it's not taxed, which is exactly why they do it. But number 4, bank-owned life insurance. Essentially what this is they are overfunding cash value life insurance products to where about 10% of it goes towards the cost of insurance, around 90% is going towards the cash value. That way they're complying with the IRS guidelines. It's still considered life insurance. They want the least amounts that the IRS will allow them to have so that they get the treatment of life insurance. And then that 90% is going to get credited interest, similar to a high yield savings account from their general account portfolio. And as a bonus, they're able to access that cash value tax-free through policy loans. I don't like banks. If you've watched a number of my videos, you probably know that. I think a lot of what they do, especially profiting from usurious loans, is evil. I teach people how to get out of them, profit safely, tax-free, and most importantly, morally. If you have any interest in that, I release videos 5 times a week on this topic. Subscribe, and I will see you in a future video. Bye-bye.